Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Forex major key strategy. All right, Forex major key strategy. Now the idea behind the major key strategy is simple. Just focus on the most traded currency pairs in the market, which are the major keys, or rather the major pairs. Okay, just focus on the most traded currency pairs, which are the major pairs. So major pairs include the currencies like the Euro USD, the GBP USD, and USD JPY. All right. Okay, we have discussed, the differences between the major pairs, minor pairs, and exotic pairs in a previous video. You might want to check it out if you are not sure how to differentiate between them. Okay, so the major pairs, I just listed a few. Okay, the major pairs are highly liquid, meaning that there are always buyers and sellers in the market. Why does this matter? Because high liquidity leads to tighter spreads, right? And smoother price movement. So this makes it easier to enter and exit trades without large price jumps. Another advantage is that major pairs are more widely analyzed. They are more widely analyzed. News, economic data, and technical analysis are more reliable because more traders are watching these pairs. For beginners, this is very important. Trading exotic or less liquid pairs can be unpredictable and expensive due to wider spreads. A major key strategy simply means that you are building your trading approach around these stable, well-known pairs, the major pairs. All right. So you can focus on cleaner setups, better execution, and lower trading costs. But just a recap for what major pairs are. Major pairs are actually the pairs that include the US dollar and another stronger currency. Okay, so the US dollar and another stronger currency are, the pairs that make up the major pairs. So the goal is not to trade everything, but to specialize and master a few pairs. Okay, the key takeaway is sometimes less is more. Focusing on major pairs can improve consistency and reduce unnecessary risk. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.